Hello? I just go straight into chatting since I'm late today. Shelf crumbles and the wall clocks run. Hill scotch bottles and the soda guns. What? I'm just jamming. I don't know, my lighting seems a little bright or yellow today, but I think it's just gonna have to be bright and yellow. Just part of life. Oh, let's see. Closing out stuff. Ugh. Have you ever been in the mood to not work on your game? Because all of a sudden I'm in that mood right now and I'm like, maybe I should.
It means that with the right computer algorithms,
I can hack you back in time. Just like a time machine. Well then, it's hacking time. Oh, Joe Dabba, I got the new GIF bot installed, but I have to configure everything. So hopefully we're gonna have our pickle and our tomatoes. Hopefully we have our pickles and tomatoes back by next stream. But Joe Dabba, thank you so much. Welcome back to the Bug Club. I super appreciate it. I want a pickle, but I just did it with my mouth. Isn't that like 10 times better than the sound effect? I'll do it one more time. Pickle. Look, that's OG voice actor right there. I don't know. That's genuine. Wait, where are the sound files? I swear to God, there's just like, yo, that actually sounded exactly correct. Joe Dabba, do you remember that I am the original voice actress for Sandwich? I make sure members of the Bug Club get what they deserve. And that's the sandwich ingredients. Yep. Sandwich ingredients. We're just chilling. I just jumped Iron Knuckle. Hello, Dobby. What's up? Many Dobbies. How's it going? Behold. Behold. Okay, that's my configuration canvas. Don't behold that. The most prestigious voice acting gig was Sandwich. Oh yeah. Like, Sandwich is probably top 10 best voice acted video games of all time. Maybe even higher, but I don't wanna brag too hard here. We're trying to remain humble. How are you doing today, Joe Dabba? Dobby, Iron Knuckle, is everybody's week going well? I know the week just kind of started. I had a good day at work today. I have been behind on work, honestly. So, struggling to catch up. I'm doing. How about yourself? Yeah, you know, busy. Is that what life is for? Being busy. Doing good, maybe over-caffeinated though. Oh no. What time is it where you're at, Iron Knuckle? I've also been behind on work. I had the plague. Oh my god. And now I'm back at it. Okay. Yeah. Well, take it easy. You don't want to relapse, you know? You don't want to relapse into Plague 2? Plague 2? I got my levitating wand, everybody. I got my levitating wand in the mail. I'm gonna show it all to you. It levitates, it floats. No cap. Hey, Mystical Cell, how's it going? How are you doing? Welcome in. We just started. I didn't do my starting soon screen. I normally have a starting soon screen, but because I was late, I was like, I jump straight into stream. Tuesday nights. Yeah. Oh, I'm trying to look at my schedule and see where I can add another day of streaming. Because I want to stream more. I don't know. I like being busy, but at the same time, sometimes I hate being busy. You know what I mean? Super tired, just got done bowling. Did you get any strikes? Did you get any strikes? I'm really bad at bowling, so I really am excited. Tesseract, yo, how's it going? Welcome in. We're doing some dev, of course, today. Oh yes, much dev, much WoW, much bugs. I don't know, we don't actually, okay, I don't want to say this because then we're gonna have a bug. We actually don't have very many bugs right now. Right? So maybe today is lucky number, I don't know, how many days has it been going? 2 months? Oh my god. We need to wrap up this game. Woke up a while back, tired as hell, but gotta do stuff. Oh my god. I hate the feeling of being tired, but also having to do stuff, right? Like, I want to be tired, but then sleep and stare at my phone for like 7 hours and sleep for the other 10. Yeah, I'm in a bowling league. Probably got 20-ish strikes. What? Did you get a turkey? I've always wanted a turkey, but I've never gotten one. Like, I think a turkey's 3 in a row? Yep, you got a turkey? Okay, that's so impressive. That is so impressive. Holy cow. Everybody, we are in the presence of bowling champion mystical cell. I actually don't have a reference for like what makes someone a champion in bowling, so I might just, but that sounds like crazy impressive. Like, I've gone bowling at a ton of parties in my life and I've never seen anybody get 20 strikes. Like maybe 1 or 2. And like some spares. I'm like pretty good at the spares because I try, well, I also throw it in the gutter a lot. I like to play with the bumpers. Okay, it's just like the bumpers make it so that you don't get a gutter ball. And I like the bumpers, but every time I go out with like friends, if it's like a bowling party or something, and I ask for the bumpers, they're all like, can't play with the bumpers. But my point is, it's not very fun to bowl if like it goes in the gutter every time, you know? That makes it unfun, in my opinion. Unfun gutter bowling. Your average is about 200. Oh my god, I don't even know what my average score is. What's like a normal score? Whatever like a normal, because I feel like I'm not good. I get a lot of gutter balls, but like I've gotten a strike before, but it was like a lucky strike. If I'm with the bumpers, I get a very different score than without the bumpers. Facts. The bumpers increase my score, which is probably a bad indication of my bowling ability. The fact that I need the bumpers. But oh my gosh, you all are not prepared for how amazing. Oh wait, chat, I forgot how to type ban. I just got my levitation wand and it was so cool. I used to bowl. These days I'm afraid I'd be afraid of losing my fingers. Are your fingers just big and you're worried about like them getting stuck in the holes ball? I don't. Huh. No, I'm just paranoid. Oh, okay. Cause I was like, I feel like you'd probably have to like pick a really intentionally small bowling ball to get your fingers stuck. Like, usually when I go bowling, I play with the holes that are, like, way bigger than your fingers, so you're just kind of gripping. You have to, like, squeeze. And then, I'm not at the level where I'm playing with the ramp, though. You know, Iron Knuckle, the ramp? It's like they put the ball on it and it just rolls. For someone who doesn't bowl very often, anything above 50 is good. I've been bowling in leagues for 10 years. Okay. I think I've gotten over 50. I think I get like 90. 90 sounds like a score I get. 90 sounds like a score I've gotten before. I feel like somewhere in the deepest part of my mind, I've gotten like a 124 once in my life. I don't know, like something like just above 100 rings a bell, but definitely not 200 for sure. I think that's probably gotta be a good bowler for that. Right, we gotta do some game dev. I don't. Okay, so chat, I have a question. So we have been working on the chat made game for a very long time. The work I have to do on it is pretty boring. I'm at a point in the project where I feel like the rest of the project I can do, but it's like boring. So I kind of wanted to work on on Die Hard today, which Die Hard, as you all know, is my first Steam release. So I don't know. We could also just tinker in 3D Unity. I'm feeling like goofing around and tinkering maybe today. Maybe we can make like a small demo or something. I feel like when projects get stagnant, it makes it less fun for me to work on stream, because then it's just like mindless. I like to kind of be engaged with like a problem or I don't know, something we're solving. I guess we could take a look at my arcade game. We haven't looked at this one for a while. Oh my god, yeah. The last time I worked on my game was like 2 months ago. It's real bad. I'm going through like a huge slump in terms of my productivity when it comes to like game dev and life in general. And I know that we shouldn't judge ourselves based off of productivity, but I do sometimes. Oh, by the way, Unity is loading. The second it's up, we're gonna switch over to our game dev screen and we're gonna start coding and stuff. And I will have to show you all the levitation wand in a bit. It's pretty amazing. It's, it floats. I know I keep on saying it floats, and that makes it sound like it's probably not floating, but it's definitely magic. No secrets or tricks here. Am I making a convincing face? Maybe not. Oh my god, I have to floats in water. No, floats in the air like a magic. Here, I have it right here. Let me just show you. Prepare, Jesse Skinner, to see the levitation wand. It levitates. Ignore the string. Definitely levitate. Watch. Ignore the loop on my finger. Whoa! Look at this thing levitate. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's doing a circle. I told you it was a levitation wand. It's super cool. Okay, I have a confession. It doesn't actually float. It's a string. Obviously. But if you pretend the string isn't there, it's like really cool. It's so much harder than people make it look. You know how people have the wand and it's floating all around? It unpacks itself? No. This is, oh shoot, sorry, flashing light warning. Jesus. It just glows, and then as you like whip it around and stuff, with like the lights off, it looks like super cool. So this is not an unpacking one. What string? I don't see a string.
Ahí viene el Satya. ¿Qué pasó con el curso de hacking ético? Ya se los mando. He estado ocupado, pero ya se los mando. Sí tengo sus registros. No se me preocupen.
What I want to do is like stand up and like float it around for everybody, like once a stream, because it'll be good exercise to like stand up and like stuff. You know.
good exercise. But I also probably want to like hook up the lights in the room so I can be like, clap, clap, and then the lights get really dark. And then when I float the string, or when I, not the string, of course, when I float the, the wand around, it'll look really magical. Getting rich, watching the Twitch. What's up, Digital? You getting rich with my magical floating wand? Look at my float, and I can do different settings. I don't know what the heart setting does. There's a heart setting on the bottom of the remote. I'm like, okay, it's the heart. Oh, never had one lesson. Woo, 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 woo. Imagine content just stopping through. Hi, have a great evening. Thank you so much. And thank you so much for the Ferris Bueller Day cheer. I hope you have a lovely evening as well. Oh, yes. That's right. Last time I think we were working on UI for this game. Digital, you're doing okay? Hmm. Two. All right, we might need to, what am I, lime, blue, and red in this scenario? Okay, so what we were working on last is restructuring the way level design and cameras work in this game. So rather than having the camera follow the player and you moving around, I think it makes it too hard to dodge stuff when you have the camera following you. I personally like much better if the level is stable and the character moves around, right? So I believe I made a sample scene. Is it this one? Or blank slate 1? Blank slate? What's this level here? Oh, all prefabs must be fixed before you can enter play mode? Huh. I'm just gonna delete this. Oh god. Oh god. I don't know what's happening. Okay. This is not the right level. One of these levels, I swear, we have like a new camera structure. I think it's this one here, blank slate 1. Let me press play and see what happens. Do we not have a game? Oh, we do have a character. Okay. Okay, so what does this look like? Okay, so it looks like we have like our creeping along. And they get some speed. So we have a little bit of momentum, and it looks like I can easily go from room to room. Oh, there's nothing this way. Ignore that way. So how big should I make each level? I probably shouldn't make it more than... I'm thinking 3x3 sounds good, right? Like, what are all these virtual cameras? Papa Matrix? Do these virtual cameras get created on startup or no? Let me just delete. I know this is like super, probably not good to do. I'm just deleting stuff because I don't know what's happening. God. You know, I'm just gonna Control Z. I have regrets about just randomly deleting stuff already, and I only just started randomly deleting stuff. I need to figure out what these virtual cameras are doing. I think that the reason I have so many virtual cameras is that the virtual you know, once the character enters it. So what is this script called? Stationary camera. Let's open up Visual Studio. Sorry, I haven't touched this project in a little bit, so my brain has already turned to mush according to all facts of science and brain mushiness. Okay, cool. So we have stationary camera. Cool. There's a camera controller. This gives us camera shake, which is like, you know. Yay, programming. Yes, programming. Gonna have some fun. Mendoza, hey! How's it going? Welcome in. I don't know if you missed the big reveal, but I have a levitation wand. I bought a levitation wand that levitates. It levitates in midair. Like, if I let go, it floats. Watch. Look at it float. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's floating. It's floating. Hey, Standard Robot, Green Amazing, hello! What are you lolling about my floating wand? It floats! Look! You can barely see the string. Okay, you have to use your imagination and pretend you can't see the string, okay? Can you do that? Can everybody in chat do that for me? Oh! I mean, I could show you all the tricks I've learned so far. Here. Let me see if I can, like, turn down the light or something. Okay. Does it look dark and mysterious? Or is it, like, way too bright? Okay. Huh. Okay. So, I learned a few moves. Wait. Can you all hear me? I don't know if you can even hear me. Hello? Chat? Can you hear me? Well, you know, I'm just gonna yell so that you can hear me. Okay. So, this is the first move. It's called the stall. So, what I do is I go left and right like this. This is called the stall. And then the second move is the circ orbitals. So you go like this. Amazing! And then you can do like switch from stalls to orbital. But yeah, it's like I need to practice more. I've only been practicing for like I don't know, 4 days, 5 days. It's really hard. Oh, can you not? Is there no music? Oh, there is the music. Just in time to catch a little magic. Did you see that, Ubermammal? Did you see the magic? But it looks cool. It is pretty cool. It's just really hard to do. So there's tons of cool tricks and tons of cool techniques that I'm working on. So hopefully I'll be able to do like a magic show where I'm like really doing cool tricks. But it's gonna be a little bit of time. But I wanted to show you all. I wanted to show you all the few moves I did learn, which are orbitals and then side stalls. I was not expecting it to be so hard. My eyes tell me I saw it, but I cannot believe them. It's called the levitation wand. But yeah, it's pretty fun. You just kind of like shift it around and, you know, magic. But now we're going back to game development. I'm sorry, I just wanted to show you all because I know I tell you all when I get new magic tricks. For people who this is their first time watching me, my hobby is magician. Magician. So that was me magicianing for you all. Level editor. Level editor takes in an X and Y. I want it to be 3x3. Yeah. Do you juggle? It's fun too. I have juggled. I can do like, I can juggle 3 things for a little bit of time, but like, unless I practice and warm up, I'm pretty garbage. Like, juggling has never been muscle memory to me. Does that make sense? Like, I've never just been like, wow. Also, you're working on Die Hard today? Yes. Yeah, I'm working on Die Hard today because the very last thing we have to do for the Twitch chat game is like so boring. It's the most boring part of game dev. So I decided it would be much more fun for me and everybody watching to just work on Die Hard a little bit. And the Twitch chat game will come out in the next few days. Never been able to juggle either. Juggling's hard. It's like really hard. But do I have a level editor script on this? I'm just gonna delete every virtual camera here. Why is there something called Papa Matrix? Chat, why do I have a game object called Papa Matrix? I don't like that at all. Don't like it at all. X grid and Y grid. I should probably also have input here for like what size my matrix is gonna be. Fair enough. I was starting to have concerns about the effects of continued exposure to John the Dwayne Roxon on your sanity. Yeah, my sanity was at its end. It was at its end. New vector 3x3. Let's go ahead and do this. Serialize. Oh, is my caps lock on? Yeah. Serialize field integer X array. A Jew! I'm sorry, everybody. Thank you. Oh, I have to dress up for Halloween tomorrow, and I know what you're all thinking. Sympathy. Halloween. One more, let's all find out. I sneeze in batches, okay? I've always sneezed in batches. Level size. I can also only do 3, but I did research muscle memory. Also, why interesting, hands are faster than the brain. Oh, yeah. Like, your hands will move faster than your brain can process things. I believe it. I believe it. Oh my god, I've been so tort. Lampathy IRL Vias. I am the real Lampathy, but you know, it's hard being a lamp during the day. My boss is like, Lampathy, you have your Jira done yet? And I'm like, yes, boss, one moment. I say it in a British accent. Oh wait, can I set this equal to something like 3? Oh, why can't I put level size? because, can't I? Is that why I type nonsense sometimes? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I type nonsense all the time. When you have a variable that's serialized, can you not initialize? Like, should I just initialize this not in the thing? Did you say the forbidden word, Jira? I'm sorry, Green Mazing. I didn't mean to trigger your stress response. Non-constant thing in the field initializer. Okay, I'll just put this in start. No problem. No problems here. I feel like I need like some code ASMR. Don't worry. You can just put it in the start. You are a calm river. You are a calm river. Breathing in, breathing out. You know? Like, I just want, like, coding meditation. How come when I code, it's not like meditation, though? Use the gentle sounds of sorting algorithms. Much like sorting algorithms, you close your eyes and find that your life is sorted. Everything is where it needs to be, including you. Breathe out. Is that what self-help coding therapy would be like? Amazing constant time algorithm. Yeah, that's right. Man, there's like all these like tech influencers popping up on my YouTube and TikTok. I mean, it's Jira puns. It's Jira puns. I feel like I need to like, or like day in the life of a coder thing. I don't know. I feel like you all don't want to see a day in the life of me. Really. I mean, maybe if I just like, day in the life of an engineer at Amazon. First thing I do is put on my shoes. Then I go to Amazon. Then I leave Amazon. Solid. Do you ride a skateboard to Amazon? Yes, yes. I like to ride a skateboard to Amazon with my hair flowing in the breeze because I feel like that just really centers me to be able to be my most productive self at work. Do you want to know what I actually do at work? I sit there and I blast music and I work and then I leave and I attend meetings. Yeah, some meetings sprinkled out. When I'm not in a meeting, I'm blasting music. Headphones on all work day. Like, I'm not talking to anyone except for during lunch. But yeah, I work. And I don't like it either. Like, I sit there and I'm like, I hate working. And then I'm like, no, shut up. Be grateful that you have a work. And then I'm like, I wish I could freelance. And then, yeah. But then, oh, benefits. So that's basically like my brain every single workday. For the last 4 years. So yeah. Fill array and then spawn room. Yeah. But you have a relentless customer focus sympathy. Wait, what's a relentless customer focus? I just hope you work on interesting problems. I don't know. When I was doing my machine learning project, that was kind of interesting. I actually enjoyed training models and that kind of thing. I would not say that I'm working on like a particularly interesting. That's what all the ex-Amazon people I know say Amazon has. Relentless customer. I don't have a relentless customer focus. Ex-Amazon, ex-Google, ex-Apple engineers selling you a book. How to pass the coding interview. Do you enjoy your job? Oh, Kelvar, that's such a hard question. I feel like on a scale from 0 to 100%, so this is a very dynamic scale, I probably enjoy my job 70. Yeah, do I enjoy? Oh yeah, the fact that I have good health insurance. I would say 75. I would say 75. I would say like the joy I get from working on a scale from 0 to 100 is probably like 20. 20 out of 100. But like the benefits and the health insurance and that kind of stuff is like, but brings it up to, I would say that I am like at 75. Enjoy my job. So I don't think it's terrible. I'm just very busy. I work a lot. You know, that's the reality of it. I love making games. Games is fun. I mean, you can't just do what's fun all the time though, right? All right, okay, so let's run this and see if this generates the matrix that it's supposed to. This week, I'm mostly blowing off work and cooking a feast instead. Oh, I'm so excited for Halloween. I can't wait to show you my Halloween costume. So I'm dressing up for Halloween tomorrow because my work is having a Halloween costume contest tomorrow. Okay, like these are the things I enjoy about my job, Kelvar Jadewalker. Like my work has like a lot of fun events and parties and that kind of stuff. The only part I don't enjoy is like the work itself. But like, who does enjoy work, right? I can work in a job to pay bills, but if you can work in a job to actually enjoy it, it can be the best of both worlds. Yeah, like I've been in this job for 4 years. I'm just gonna say that I could probably be in this job for another 4 years. And it pays the bills and that brings me enough joy to continue doing it, right? Which is why, Kelvar, I'm saying that I enjoy it at 75. Like, I enjoy it enough to do it long term, right? So, I'm gonna start up. Early days were fun, building new stuff in a small team. Now it's maintaining and dealing with accounting code. Yep, green mazing. Startup's always fun at the start, right? All right, let's try this. So I'm gonna input 3x3 into my matrix parameters and see what happens when I hit play. I enjoy my job when I have a good manager. I will say that I've been at this, you know, you all know I'm at the same company for 4 years, right? I have had 3 different managers, and this current manager is by far I hope my old managers don't even know what a Twitch is, so they're not watching. But I like my current manager the best. Even dream job managers can get old, stale after a while too. Is 4 years too soon for me to be feeling stale about a job though? I don't know, my dad's been in the same job for like 10 years or something. I feel like a baby at 4. Plus this is my first job out of college, so that's like extra baby. Okay, let me hit play. Play. Oh, it worked. I will have been at my current job for 8 years next week. Really? 8 years next week. Yeah, Uber Mammal. Okay, you're inspiring me. I can make it another 4 years. Some people build differently, I guess. I feel my job management peers were close to a dream job, but I'm still ready to move on. Okay, so even though you're like in a dream job scenario, after a certain amount of time, you still feel like it's just good to shake things up. Yeah, I feel like my brain does like change. Yeah. Yeah, I think so, at least for me. No, it makes total sense. Okay. I think I might try to build a level out and see what we can do with it. I kind of like this setup. The problem is, if I hit play again, do we get extra virtual cameras? Like, what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 virtual cameras. If I hit play right now, does the number of virtual cameras... This isn't Die Hard? No, this is Die Hard. So what game are we building here? I should have like a quick demo loop of my game playing in the corner so that people can get the mechanics. But let me go ahead and play it for you right now. Because I actually have like levels that are built. Oh, this is a good level. Okay, so this game is on Steam. So if you want to support the game, check it out on Steam. But basically the way the game works is you play as a sheep named Bruce Willis. Let me go to this camera. Is it procedurally generated or is it pre-designed levels? Because it's a puzzle game, I'm leaning towards having them be pre-designed. But every single pre-designed level, Gavin's Awful Stream will have... Every pre-designed level will have multiple ways for you to beat it. Yeah. So you can beat the game in different ways. And there's collectibles that you can only get if you take the hardest path. So yeah, so this is Die Hard. This is Bruce Willis. So the way the game works is the only objective is to get to the stairs so that you can climb to the next level. But you can see that the door is locked. Like if I just try to go over there, like the door is locked. And if these guys bump into me, they catch me. Ah! I see, it was thinking of the abstract one with the squares and circles, but that was the prototype for this. Yes, Uber Mammal, that was the prototype for this game. That's the prototype. I mean, it's the same exact thing where I can change color. But if I'm red, these guys can't see me. And if I'm red, I can pick up the red key. So you see how the game has locked doors? If I am blue, I can't pick up this key. But if I'm red, boop, pick up the key, excellent. And if I run into a door that's colored red, it opens the door, which is good. I need a blue key as well. Just gonna grab this. And then this door just opens, right? And we can collect little items. I need to pick sound effects for those. Boop. Let's pick up that key. And this is the tricky part. So if I'm red, these guys can't hit me, but then I can't open the door. I can't open the door because I need the green key. So I have to be green. So I just have to like, aha, I did it. I did it. I like how he takes off his wool when he changes colors. Yeah, he's like, ah. Reminds me a bit of Hue. I guess you know it. I do know Hue. Yeah. The only, I guess the big difference is that this game, I only have, probably should change the way that wall works. It looks a little funky when he walks through it. But yeah, so can I? Oh, I can't go up these stairs. Only the other stairs. Just double checking that I did it right. I just died and I got reset to the beginning. Did I save? Oh, if you touch this point, the printers are checkpoints. So I just created a checkpoint, but I forgot to create a checkpoint before I died. See, now if I die, I end up at the checkpoint. Somebody gave me really good feedback at a playtest. Wait, did I tell you all that I went to a playtest on a playtest thing this last Friday where in person I got to have people play Die Hard. Not this one, but the first demo with like the shapes and stuff and get feedback. And I felt super awkward because everybody was there with friends, but I don't have any friends. So I just awkwardly show up and everybody's talking with people and I'm like, so I set up my laptop and pull up my demo and I'm like, hope someone comes to try my game. And then people started coming and they started having fun and then I was like, oh, this is so fun. And then after that, I kind of gained some confidence. So then I went around and I played other people's games and it was super fun. But I am inspired to have a demo, this demo, like, of the game in this state, you know? Let me just get the blue key. Oh, I just got the blue key. Pew, 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 pew. Oh, I have to open up this door first, of course. I have to do a test. If I touch the printer, oh, I can only use the printer once. So now if I die, I think it takes me back to before I had the key. Yep. Wow, a real playtest. Always wanted to do one. So exciting, awkward, and stressing. It was so exciting, awkward, and stressing. But yeah, I thought generally most of the people were like pretty chill and nice, like pretty chill and nice game devs. But is it weird that it made me feel like not a game dev a little bit? A little bit. Like at the start I was like, am I a game dev? And then I was like, wait. Yeah, I've made games before, but like it took me a while. Does that sound silly? Am I being silly? Silly game dev tricks. Tricks are for kids. Is that how the rabbit goes? Yeah. That's my favorite part about this game is that you can kick chairs. So if I run into chairs, watch. The chairs get like kicked around. Oh, I think that one got stuck in the table. I just love kicking the chairs. Hiya! Hiya! Okay, we've talked about this before, but should kicking chairs into the goblins kill them? You heard of a game called Last Man Sitting? No, I know Last Man Standing. Wait, Last Man Sitting. Ryan K. Hawkins, you're definitely a game dev. Shucks. Feedback is something we want or not? Yes, I absolutely want feedback. Like, try it with and without kicking chairs and see what's more fun. Well, okay, so right now, the chairs, you don't have that much accuracy, right? Like, so if I kick it, just kind of work its way up. If I just kind of work it up, like, eventually I might get it where I want it to go. Now, because kicking chairs is kind of just like a fun thing that doesn't have too much effect on the gameplay, maybe because the chair doesn't have that much. You see how it's like super hard to control? Like I can't get it to go through this tiny little. Come back. You always think the goblins are wolves. I am officially changing them to wolves, actually. I think having the goblins react to the chairs might be fun, but I think letting it kill them would be bad. Yeah, because then I feel like, oh shoot, did the chair just get stuck in the wall? No! Chair, why? Come back to me. See, the chairs are also super buggy because they're not meant to be like a... They're just meant to be like a little goofy thing. Oh no, let me get another one.
It means that with the right computer algorithms,
I can hack you back in time. Just like a time machine. Well then, it's hacking time. Thank you so much, Aria. Oh my goodness, it's hacking time. Welcome back to the Bug Club. And Edriet, oh my gosh, a long time no see. How's it going? How are you doing? I am working on my Hotline Miami game. action, adventure. It's your birthday? Happy birthday! Oh my gosh. Everybody, can we get a happy birthday for Edriet in the chat? I don't know. Happy birthday! You gotta have some, like, everybody spam your favorite emote. Emote only chat. You already did Ludum Dare, right? The comments are welcome, but you know it comes from other devs who played 10 games in the last hour. True. Yeah, Ludum Dare is like a little bit different than like Event. Do you all want a piece of cake? Yes. Yes, look, everybody, love in chat for Edriet. Oh my gosh. This is so exciting. Hype. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. The cake is a lie. That's true. Dave H. Everybody knows the cake is a lie. This was a triumph. I love Portal. Portal's a great game. How do we get the chair out of... Okay, why is the chair stuck in the wall? Please. I'm just gonna... So... I guess this is just like outline collider. Is it because the collision is not continuous? Because, like, if I can, like, force this in the wall. My candle wishes never become true. Well, continuous collision would prevent it. Yeah, maybe we should change that. Yeah. Same green amazing. Oh no. So would a high enough frame rate? Yeah, but I like playing my games with my trash frame rate. Wait, what? Did I accidentally drag this chair away from its... What? Oh, because I'm dragging this relative. Okay, never mind. I was making mistakes. Frame rate can't be that bad right now. Well, I think we're doing all the physics stuff in fixed update. The question is collisions. I think my physics simulation steps are the default. I haven't messed around with that at all. What? How much physics stuff do you have? Okay, I have... the physics of the chair and the colliders on the wall, and that's pretty much it. Lighting always killed my FPS. Oh, yeah, I do have a little bit of lighting under Bruce Willis. Like, I have a little bit of lighting right there. Hopefully the lighting isn't, like, terrible for frame rate. Let me go to our actual game. So our game is built with 4 layers. Like, all of this level here is 4 layers. So it's called the grid, right? This is the grid. And it looks like the end colliders. And this is, wait, which colliders are we looking for? Foreground and background. So foreground, here it is. So this actually has the level in it. Old Pac-Man enters chat. If you are always free, you can move it. It can cause a conflict, forcing the chair into the wall. Yeah. But the collision with the player is only instantaneous. So as opposed to the collider of the player pushing the chair, when the player walks into an angle at the chair, it instantaneously calculates the angle between the player and the chair and then launches it at that direction. So what I think is more likely the problem here is not the chair, but probably the velocity that it's launched at. Is there a part of the chair that isn't in the collision area? Yeah. So the chairs have two colliders. One is like a rectangular collider, and the other is like a circle. So the circle is the one that actually interacts with everything. The square one is like a trigger collider? What's your FPS? I don't know. I just put my new graphics card in, so probably really good. It could launch it into the wall. Yeah. Yeah. This is a bug. Turn on your stats panel. Oh, really? In game view, there's a stats panel. Let's see. Stats. All right. Where's my FPS? Do I need to have the game running to see the FPS? Let's make the game run really quick and see where what the stats say. Oh, really bad FPS. I'm running my game at 40 FPS. That's really odd. 20 to 40 FPS. I see you're heavily CPU bound. Yeah, I probably need a new CPU. My CPU is like 5 years old. That's not good. Okay, I know it's not good, I know. I have hundreds of colliders and multiple light sources, and it rarely goes below 100. Oh god. And my little pixel game is at 36. Oh god. CPU is fine. Is there some code that needs improving somewhere? I mean, let's do this. Let's do this. Let me open my least intensive project and let's run the stats and see what's going on, right? Oh, the profiler will tell you exactly where the stats are going? But where's the profiler? It'll tell you where the time is going. I just want to close my project really quick and open one of my, like, I don't know, let's just open like a project and see. Because I am curious. Text 101. Oh my god, okay. So this is my first ever text-based adventure game that I made. This is the first ever text-based adventure game, and it literally only has one script, and it's super efficient. There's no like find object, like it's literally just when clicked, progress to next state. It's dumb simple. So I'm launching this game, and let's see. Over or under 12 FPS. Yeah, everybody in chat, give me your over under. Put your FPS. Let's do 50 FPS. So in chat, you go over or under? Over. Okay, we're getting a couple of overs. Over. Is nobody gonna bet under? Is nobody gonna bet under? Under. Okay, if we got Faint Signal and Emperor Zombie, guessing under 50 FPS for my text-based adventure game that only has one line of code. Okay. Mana, over, okay. So I'm gonna do this. This is the game. Your mama is so fat, Jabba the Hutt said dang. Your mama is so fat, Jabba the Hutt said dang. What is wrong with me? Why? This is one of my earliest Unity games. You can clearly see the mood that I was in. Okay, stats, loaded, and play. There's not even any buttons in this game. Oh, whoa, it just dropped to 20. I saw 20 for a second. It looks like it's hovering about 200 though. But it just dipped to 30. Like, it's dipping below 50. Like, I don't know how closely you all are seeing this. What do you have open in the background? In the background? What? I definitely don't have any tabs open. Let's see. I have Raid Me. Raid Me? I don't know, who wins, the over or the under? Because it looks like it's bouncing between 100 and 200, but it did dip below 50 a couple times. Oh my god. Do you all want to know the story of this game? Performance is always worse in the editor, by the way. Yeah, that's true. Rigged. I mean, it started at 200. Fair enough. It never got below 12, which is what you listed. Okay, fair. Wait. Okay, chat, you have to tell me what you do. What you do in this situation. Okay. Let's make this a little bit smaller. Okay. You are sitting down in a control room in Brick Labs. As your test engineer prepares the test, the owner of Brick Labs approaches. She says, "Welcome. This must be your first time at Brick Labs. Would you like a tour?" 1, take the tour. 2, politely decline. 1, okay, you all want the tour? Dominique begins to take you on a tour. She takes you into a large room filled with massive tables. Massive tables. She stops. This table here can shock a 2-ton product at 200 Gs. It costs $150,000 at retail price. Guess how much I paid for it? Okay, chat. Do you think that she paid $150,000 or you don't know? Oh, a game with Twitch integration. 1, okay, 100,000. Oh! Dominique continues as if she didn't expect you to respond. It cost me $3,000. That's why I can give my customers the best price. Ooh, the best price. She tells a similar story for every piece of lab equipment in the room. Nice. She looks at her watch. Would you look at the time? They can't run tests while we are in the room. It seems we are holding up the start of your test. Before I go, would you like a tea egg? It is a food that is said to give people prosperity. Okay, what do you think, chat? Egg? Egg or no egg? Okay, some people are saying yes on the egg. Some people are saying no on the egg. Let's see. That's 3 for egg. Always egg McMuffin. Okay, fine. We're gonna eat the egg. I just want to see if you win the game, chat. Dominique runs down the right hall. While she is away, you notice an emergency exit door in the test room. In the control room, there are 2 hallways on either side, which both seem to go to offices. Dominique returns with a small brown oval. What an interesting combination of flavors. It tastes quite good. Just as you finish the last bite, you hear a loud metallic thud in the test room, and the control room fills with a strange smelling smoke. Oh yeah, wait, look! When I move the mouse, look at the FPS! Look! The FPS is at 13. Look! Look when I move the mouse. I can lower the FPS by wiggling my mouse. Okay, chat, this is the most important decision you've made so far. Smoke is heavy in the air. You should leave the control room soon. Where do you go? This is very important, chat. Do you run down the right hallway? Do you run down the left hallway? Or do you run into the test room to the emergency exit? Okay, so man is saying run into the test room where you just heard the large thud, but run past the test room to the emergency exit. One is saying run down the right hallway. 3, okay, we're getting a lot of emergency exit, so we're gonna go ahead and take the emergency exit. You run through the test room for the emergency exit, but you get there and the door is locked. Smoke filling the room makes it difficult to see. You can look around for a way to open the door, or you can run back to the control room. What do? Do you look for like a key or a button to get the emergency exit door open? Or do you run back? Okay, so your options are look around for a key or button, or 2, run past the smoking electromagnet back to the control room. Okay, we're getting 2. No, this emergency door isn't OSHA safe. The whole point of this thought experiment is what? Okay, so some people are saying look around for a way to open the door. So don't run past the smoking electromagnet. Okay, we're gonna hit 1. You find a button to the right side of the door. You press it and the door swings open. Just as you...
What's that?
Oh,
I don't smell nothing.
Ray! Hey, CM Griffin! Hello! Hi, we're just playing a text-based adventure game that I made. Let me just read the ending to the story really quick. Just as you run out, there's a loud explosion. The shock wave pushes you down to the floor. Right as you lift your head, you see a speeding car rushing towards you. This exit must lead out to a parking lot or maybe a main road. It hardly matters now, you're finished. Okay, chat, you died. You died. You ran out. I mean, the emergency exit was a good... We trust OSHA to make good emergency exits. You can't trust OSHA, that's what I'm saying. Exclamation mark raid for raiders coming in with CM Griffin. This is a chat overlay game I made. Chat integration? Wow! Debated by the emergency exit. Yeah, you're debated by the emergency. You all shouldn't have taken the emergency exit. Game over. This time you did not escape from Brick Labs. You know, I could very... Oh, is this the battle? Bugs versus Raiders! Oh, CM Griffin. Oh, CM Griffin. Oh. Oh, snap. Bug Club wins, but that was a good attempt. That was a good... Thank you so much for getting rid of some of my bugs. You deserve a big old shout out. Big old shout out.
So, opinion on labels, junior, mid, senior? It's all relative. Who gives a shit? You're gonna be senior at one place and junior at another, and as long as your salary reflects what you're actually worth, who gives a shit?
Yeah, you know what? I agree. Junior, senior, mid, it's all baloney. I'm a mid-level engineer, but I could easily be senior somewhere, and I could easily be junior somewhere. But as long as I make more money than I do now, I'm a happy camper, right? Money, money, money! Lol, that's funny. I should prune my clips. Nah, come on, CM Griffin. You got a bunch of golden clips. As long as you enjoy the work, who cares? Back, Cyber Angel. Welcome, CM Griffin and chat. I am a developer. A software developer. But at the nighttime, I make games. And we're doing a very interesting test called this is my text-based adventure game. And I'm trying to see what my FPS is for my text-based adventure game. So keep in mind, there's no moving graphics, no buttons, no UI. It's literally just a story and you hit the arrow keys. And it seems to be doing 120 FPS? I don't know, guys. 120 FPS. That seems pretty bad. Like, I just got the new graphics card, the 2070 Ti. Like, I feel like 120 FPS is bad. Wait, you're building an old school? Wait, no, I've already built, Creative Steve, I've already built this game. Wait, let me post, and it's definitely, yeah, look at the CPU. My CPU is poopy. Chat, what type of CPU do I buy? I don't know what type of CPU to buy. I need to, I have thermal paste. I have thermal paste. I think that my liquid cooling is good. 5800 X3D. I'm writing these down. Like, if anybody in chat has a good one that they have, then I am all down for it. Note. But it needs some optimization. Well, I don't know if I need like a new PC. Like, I built this one, so I can just replace the parts. You also need a new motherboard in order to support a newer CPU. Oh, yeah. Like, CPUs aren't backwards compatible, right? What type of motherboard do I have? I have it in my Twitch description. I like have an about section or something, and it has my parts. The X470 should support a Ryzen 5000. Is that the one I have right now? Sorry, I built my PC 4 years ago, so I can't quite remember the, I think I have the X470, but it's hard to remember, like, the acronym, right? Okay. I think I might build a text-based adventure game. Yeah, no, build a text-based adventure game. Text-based adventure games are great as first games. I mainly use the 6510, though. Wait, chat, do you think that would be a fun viewer integrated like game? Because like, I don't know. So like, you know how I have overlay games on my stream? Like, if I have raid me running, like if I get raided, this bot is connected to my channel, and then like the raiders type raid and my chat types bug. Do you think that I could make like a modular text-based adventure game where like chat, when you put like 1, 2, or 3, it actually like is like a poll, and then it progresses to the next part of the story? You could, but it would flood the channel. Yeah, but I wouldn't do it like constantly. It would be like on a timer. I feel like I don't mind people flooding the channel like every 10 minutes. Like maybe every 10 minutes we could progress the story, and I can have like super fun, wacky stories. I feel like that would be a fun project. I do like the Twitch integrated projects we have. I could open source it too. I love, like, I open sourced RaidMe. If anybody wants to look at my GitHub. Don't look at my GitHub. I haven't been making commits because I'm sad. Don't look at it. But I mean, you can look at my GitHub projects, but just don't look at my commits. I've been so busy with my day job, and my day job GitHub and my personal GitHub are very different. You can see how sad and stressed I am based on how little I'm committing to my personal repos. My GitHub has always been anemic. Oh god. What if we all make a goal to commit once a day? Even if it's just something small. Like, this is what I'm saying, okay? This is what I'm saying. My GitHub has a lot of noise on it. Like, a lot of noise from work? I keep my dot files there. Oh, so it's not necessarily like code you're writing. It's just like noise. I see. I am commitment phobic. I believe in you. You can commit. Twitch integration is fun. The games doing it are interesting, but Indeed can pollute chat. Just needs balance. Yeah. Yeah. My work uses GitLab. Does that work? Yeah, GitLab works. Like, let me load up like a project that we can use as like a sample project. I have a repo with a text file that is all the excuses why you don't push anything today. Wait, Lord Dressor, so do you just like update the text file and then push so that you committed? Nerds! You're saying nerds because Severin said I like bit buckets. Hey, we're allowed to be nerds on this channel. I don't know why that became my identity, but it is. Oh, also, did I shout out CM Griffin? I did shout out, but I didn't. There's like a new shout out command that I'm not using properly. But seriously, thank you so much for the raid. For people who don't know, I met CM Griffin at TwitchCon, and CM Griffin gave me these awesome stickers. These awesome stickers. I've already put some of the stickers on like my water bottle and stuff. I just need to find places. I like to put my stickers in strategic places. But yeah, it was super fun hanging out. We made what was it? We did like we went to CM Griffin's session on building electricity out of potatoes. And I probably sounded like a silly saying that. It's not building electricity. The electricity was in the potatoes all along. All we were doing was unleashing its full potential. And CM Griffin's working on like a super cool food app right now, so. Do you want to live forever? Is this a trick question? Real devs test in prod and push code before compiling. Facts. Facts. Pushing every day? Oh, no. We should just commit every day. I don't know if we should do pushes every day. Once I get comfortable with basic coding with Python, gonna build a text-based adventure game. Heck yeah. Real devs are colorblind. Uh-oh, I'm not colorblind. But I have colorblind mode in my game. Come on, you all know this by now, right? Colorblind mode. Okay, let's create a new... I'm gonna call this chat. Chat plays text game. Let me put it in a repo really quick. 1 second, I'm building a repo. I'm building a repo. I'm on a payphone. Chat plays. I don't know, what do we want to call this? Text game? Chat plays text game. That's like a super long name, but we're just gonna do that. Testing in prod? Yeah, it's the customer's job to test. I'm so lucky I didn't grow up colorblinded. Wait, are you colorblinded now? Tests farting? Oh, failing sounds like a problem for QA. Yeah. Definitely tests aren't farting. My bad. Misread the fart. So rigged. Took 4 apples and 3 potatoes for my purple LED to come on. Well, Mystical Cell, the purple LEDs had a higher voltage than the blue one. Me and CM Griffin had a blue one. It did take a lot of potatoes. We had to use 3 potatoes in parallel, 4 potatoes in parallel. Tests farting in prod is probably Taco Bell's problem. Wait, does Taco Bell have software developing jobs? Does anybody here work at Taco Bell? Because I feel like Taco Bell probably has software engineers, and maybe their QA engineers are farting. Of course they do, yeah. I just don't think we have any Taco Bell engineers here, but I'm gonna change that. Someone had to make the Taco Bell app. True. Does Taco Bell have an app? I mean, everybody has an app. Adrian, they do. Oh, so you... Sounds like you're a software engineer at Taco Bell. So what's your favorite Taco Bell menu item? Because mine is the cinnamon twists, which taste like they don't taste like cardboard. They taste more like a rock. I've never been to Taco Bell. That is good. I think you just automatically win at life. I went to Taco Bell a few times because there was a combination Taco Bell Pizza Hut where I grew up. And at the combination Taco Bell and Pizza Hut, there was like the cinnamon twists, and it was delicious. This kind of jokes is why building engineers say we're not real engineers. Who's a building engineer? Wait, Green Mazing, are you an app developer? App developers are totally real engineers. I have to be honest, I've never really understood why people love tacos so much, because tacos are amazing. Maybe you just haven't had the right tacos. I feel like maybe you just haven't had the right tacos. Is probably what's up. Because tacos are delicious. The cinnamon twists are delicious. They're my favorite snack. Yes. Yes. There's a vid from Amazon where they talk to a Taco Bell dev. Really? The ones building bridges in nuclear reactors. Yeah, but like they can just go ahead and build bridges in nuclear reactors, and I'm gonna collect my 6-figure paycheck for building the Taco Bell app. There is no problem living in a society where you can be a Taco Bell dev and just rock it. I struggle with tacos because they tend to fall apart when I bite into them. Burritos all the way. Burritos are phenomenal, but tacos are supposed to be small. And I feel like too many people huh? What? The hard shell tacos. Hard shell. No. So I'm in California. I grew up next to the border of Mexico. Tacos are supposed to be soft, homemade corn tortillas with lard. Soft corn tortillas with lard. They're only this big. And they just have like a little bit of meat and fresh salsa, like either like whatever's in season. Yeah. Yeah, if the taco is in a shell, it is a fake taco. It's a fake taco. It's just bad. Yeah, it's just not a legit taco. And like sometimes you double wrap, like you're right. A lot of good places give you double tortillas. Is Mr. Sympathy also from SoCal? No, but I have educated Mr. Sympathy on proper tacos. He's been in California long enough. But from Mexico, no, yeah, it's... Oh, I agree with them. We don't do the same jobs, even if we are both called engineers. That's fantastic news. I might still like tacos. No, Pi Jamadis, if I could do one thing for all of you, I would magically teleport everybody to a super awesome taco party where I make the best tacos you all have ever eaten, because I know how to cook Mexican food. I know how to make tortillas. I know how to make good salsas. I know how to make al pastor. We're gonna have some al pastor tacos. And for all the vegetarians, we can do like faux ground meat. I always have a vegetarian option. Taco cooking stream. I mean, I have done a cooking stream on this channel before. It was so long ago, I made a homemade pizza. I made a homemade pizza on stream. That was a while ago. Okay, let's go ahead. So this is a blank project. I just want to try to import the TwitchLib. I just want to import the module that connects Twitch to Unity. So all of you in chat should be connected to this game. Is that creepy? All of you are gonna be connected? I'd be up for that, but now I will continue to prefer tamales to tacos. Tamales are phenomenal too. Don't worry, dude, it's gonna be good. Next cooking stream when? No cooking streams? Cooking streams are fun. I liked my last cooking stream. Making homemade pizza was fun. Everybody was like asking me for the recipe, and I was like, this is really not that big of a deal. My homemade pizza is pretty bad. Okay, no. So the only recipe that's interesting, so I buy pre-made marinara, pre-made cheese, pre-made pepperoni. The only thing that I contribute to homemade pizza is the dough. But the dough is like a super long, complicated process that involves chilling overnight. So the dough isn't very interesting. Was the audio cutting in and out? I hope the audio is not cutting in and out. But please tell me if it is. My kilobytes per second audio is fine. Excellent. Yeah, text-based. Yeah, we're making Roller Coaster Tycoon 7. Pillsbury makes surprisingly good thick crust pizza dough. Oh yeah, Pillsbury makes a surprisingly good one. I buy pre-made like the whole pizza. Trust me, it's easier. I believe in you. Yeah. Yeah, I like the pre-made frozen pizzas too. Oh wait, what was I gonna do? We have to, how do you import a package? Just go to the package manager. Oh, that was easy. Add package from tarball. Do I have a tarball? Chat, do I have a tarball? How can I check if I do have a tarball? Let me get Twitch lib. I have a dill. I have a dill. Yeah. Yeah, there's no tarball. So if I was gonna import a package, maybe add it's the options are add a pack. Might want to see a doctor. Is tarball like black tar heroin? No, it's just it says right here. You can choose to import a package from Unity as tarball. A tarball is a compressed file. Okay, maybe I want to add a package from disk. I don't know what that means, but let's see if TwitchLib. TwitchLib Unity. Open. Nope, can't see it. You can tar. It's not verbose. Aztec basketball. No, this is complicated. This is complicated. Let me actually locate my download of TwitchLib. We might have to go to the GitHub. So I have. It says it's called an application extension, TwitchLib Unity. .zip. And what happens if... Would I just put the file zipped? I'm wondering... I don't just drag the whole folder in Unity. I feel like that breaks it. I need to like import it somehow. So I have a folder. It's called twitchlib.unity.release 514. That is all it means, really. Yeah. I know I could use not the package, but last time I just tried to like put a package in by not using the package manager. My project destroyed itself like from the inside out. It was like an disintegrate. It has to be a packager to be added to the package manager. You need to unzip it into the project itself. Oh god, oh god. How do I unzip it into the project itself? Do I put the unzipped file in the project and then unzip it? Or do I just unzip to location? Extract all. Files will be extracted to. Or you can any temp folder. No, I'm just gonna extract it directly into Unity. I know where my, yeah, we're just gonna extract the package directly into Unity and just like, it's gonna be great. Keep your pants on. Don't worry, I'm not even wearing pants. I'm wearing like a jumper. Like a one. So don't worry. Don't worry. I have a plan. I have a great plan. Unity 2D. What did I call this again? I call this like Twitch chat because this is Twitch chat integration, right? Twitch chat integration. Twitch chat makes a game. No. We already tried that once. And all that happened was a bunch of ovens dating fridges. Would I unzip it into the packages folder? Or would I just unzip it into assets? Just became a whole different kind of stream. What? You mean a package stream? Jeez! Sorry, the GIF bot is broken, so I have to do the GIFs with my voice. I fixed the GIF bot though. Unzipping pants into assets? If it's an asset, it goes into assets. I mean, it's a package from the internet that is an asset of sorts. But is that an asset worthy of being in the assets folder? You tell me. There's also a packages folder, and I think it's a package. Is this C#? Yeah, it's C#. The snozberries taste like snozberries. The bananas taste... yeah, but a package is treated differently and is installed into the packages folder. So you're saying I shouldn't unzip TwitchLib Unity into the packages folder. I should unzip it into the assets folder. Let's try it. All right. Yes. Extract away. Does it have a package.json? No. Oh my god, yeah, it's broken. Okay, I already broke the project, but it's fine. Okay, chat. I'm getting a couple errors. It says multiple precompiled assemblies with the same Newtonsoft JSON.dil included or the current platform. Let me look at the zip file. If it doesn't have a package.json, then it's a package and just an asset. It doesn't have a package.json. So I guess it's just an asset. There is no package.json in the file. Okay. So it created this TwitchLib folder? What are all of these different assets in here? So it looks like there's Microsoft extensions. Okay. I've seen this error before, I think. Install it into assets/plugins. Yeah. I'll put it in a plugins folder, but I just have to figure out what this error is really quick. 1 second, let me open it up, because I'm confused. I am confuzzled. Very, very confuzzled. Muy triste. What? Just kidding. This Unity stuff is very interesting. It's cool. I mean, sure, we're looking at package errors. The most exciting part of being a game developer is the my package errors. Where are the errors in this? It says that there's an error here. Wait, what line? Do you have the version package installed? Where are the 2 Newtonsoft JSON dill files in your project? Okay, so I literally have made a brand new project, fresh off of the spanking pan. This is brand new. Baby Unity project, literally nothing in it. And all I did was add this package. So the package must have multiple assemblies with Newtonsoft JSON dill. Who's spanking pans? Pan spankers. Pan spankers spank them pans. You know, sometimes I wonder what my clips are like. But I think I'm too afraid to look. Unity probably has Newtonsoft dill already, so you might be able to delete this one from the Twitch asset folder. Okay. Newtonsoft, this one right here? Emperor Zombie? Visual Scripting has it installed as well. You have the version package installed. Oh, hence the conflict. Oh. This package, it has a lot of different things. What are the errors again? Multiple precompiled assemblies with Newtonsoft JSON dill exist in the same platform. This one says, packaging cache? Wait, what's a package cache? What's a game library package cache? Look in the window package manager and remove the things you don't want. Yeah, I don't know which packages I don't want though. It looks like the only thing that's failing right now is newtonsoft.json.dll. Right? That's the only thing that's failing? Either remove visual scripting or delete that dill. Where is this dill to be deleted? It says it's in package cache. I don't even know where that is. Packages. Package cache? Where? In the folder you just unzipped? Oh, the folder I just unzipped is here. Is this a newtonsoft.json dill? Is this what I'm supposed to delete? It says newtonsoft.json.dill. Let's delete it, but I don't know if deleting it's gonna fix it. Do you want to delete dill? Yes. Some assets could not be deleted. Make sure nothing is keeping a hook on them, like a loaded dill. What? What? Who's hooking my dill? Who thought it was a good idea to hook a dill? In this project, I might need to restart Unity. I might need to restart Unity to delete the dill. You might have to close. So like close Unity and then delete the dill. Dill is delicious with salmon. I agree. I agree. Let's close. Close Unity and then do the delete. Okay. Okay, we're gonna try to fix our dill problems, but I swear to God, if I have one more dill, if one more dill, all this about dills makes me really want to pickle. Yeah, oh God, I need the pickle sound effect. Hold up, let me figure out how to delete the dill. Oh, do I delete the dill and the dill meta? Tomato! Wait, chat. if I open up the file with Unity closed, I see a dill and a dill.meta. I think I delete both, but uh-oh. It can't be completed because it's open in another program. Let me close Visual Studio as well. Close it all. Close close every program. So if I launch Unity, then it's gonna work, maybe. Wait, long live the dill. Lettuce. I like that I'm just doing the GIF voices as if we still had GIFbot. I just feel bad for GIFbot not working for so long. Look. Oh wait, I forgot to tell chat. Everybody who hasn't seen this yet, I bought a levitation wand on the internet, and it actually levitates. Watch. Oh my god, it's actually levitating. See? Chat, do you see it floating? It's freaking magic. Look, I can even spin it in midair. Look at that. Floating levitation. I bet you never saw a dill pickle do that. Oh wait, Unity's back. 1 second. Gypsy Voodoo, that's right. You don't see every day a streamer purchases a real levitating wand that definitely levitates with the power of magnets. I bet you could make a dill pickle do that. Oh my gosh, levitating dill pickle. I'm sadly not impressed with your levy stick skills. What? Levy stick. I will have you know, Severin, that this is a levitation cane for supporting your weight with your magic powers and also some string maybe. Yeah. I don't even know what a string is. I'm a juggler and a flow artist. Wait, are you? Wait, Severin, did you see my side stalls and my orbits earlier, or did you miss that part? I'm learning. So I'm actually a magician. I'm a magician. And I do a lot of magic, but there's one magic trick called the dancing cane that, you know, if the dancing cane is done like at an awkward time in a stage magic routine, it kind of just feels a little cheesy. So I never did the dancing cane myself. Then I see somebody dancing with, they're like, oh, this is a flow wand. And I was like, that's a magic trick. That's the dancing cane. Dancing cane done well is amazing. Yes, dancing cane done well is amazing if it's done for a short period of time. I think if a dancing cane routine, no matter how good it is, if it goes on longer than like 20 seconds, it kind of throws off the timing of the magic routine. Unless the main purpose of the magic routine, like let's say that you're doing linking rings, but you're doing like levitating linking rings, then maybe if that's your whole spiel, like I knew one magician and they would do like dancing cane and levitating rings, and that was like super cool. But you're right. The dancing cane done well is amazing. Is it like Dancing Queen? Oh yeah. Dancing Queen, 17, something, Dancing Queen. Wow. I have seen whole levy stick routines that are really good. Yes. I'm just saying that they're not necessarily good for like a magician act. Does that make sense? But yeah, whole levy stick routines are amazing. Yeah, I've seen them before. But like, in the context of like a magic show, it's different. But I have personally gone. Are there no errors? Oh my god, there's so many errors. There's even more. Okay. Wanda's right there. She's sleeping. TwitchLib Unity could not be loaded due to errors. Due to errors. What errors? Start, stop magic with patter. Yeah, and you see, Severin, I'm a huge patter magician. When I do my magic, I'm always pattering. But I think learning this for fun, for the context of doing it like as dancing and entertainment, that sounded fun to me, so that's why. Oh my god. The frick? It was telling you the error in the console window, was it? Assembly version validation can be disabled. Twitch API references strong named NewtonSoft JSON. Assembly references 13. Wait, what? Wait, what does this mean? Who's Wanda? My boss. Yeah, Wanda's my boss. Do you want to meet my boss? Do you want to meet my boss? My boss is right there. But my boss is sleeping. I don't know if I want to get her. You need to remove the visual scripting. Do you think it's okay? How do I remove visual scripting? Let's do this. NewtonSoft in the project is 12, but Twitch wants version 13. Add back that dill, but remove visual scripting. Okay. We're removing dill again. Window package manager. Okay. Oh wait, shoot! Before I closed it, let me open it. Also, I could do the craziest juggling tricks, but if I do it continuously without some other form of engagement, you'd probably lose interest in a heartbeat. True. So, Severine, I was a close-up magician at the Magic Castle in Hollywood. So that's like my magician experience. So I've been a magician since I was very little, but I joined the Magic Castle as a junior member as part of the junior society when I was like 14, and I became a close-up magician. So like my specialty is really not the stage. Like I'm more like cards, coin, rope magic. I had a show there for about 3 years. So yeah, you can get in with my I have invited many people to the Magic Castle. I have a lot of guest passes. So the COVID has kind of given me a large buildup of guest passes. I even have like 7 VIP guest passes this year that I haven't used. I've always wanted to visit. Oh yeah, Severine, Magic Castle is like literally top tier magic. Like every time I've gone, it's the best magic ever. Especially like I'm telling you, like the stage magicians. The stage magician. I'm actually going to the Magic Castle in 2 weeks. Did I tell you all this? I'm going on the 13th or the 14th? But yeah. And just so you know, I'm going as a guest. So I'm not going to be having a stage show. Because if I'm going for work, I have a stage show. I have a set time. But I'm going as a guest, but I guarantee you 1,000,000% that I will be asked to perform and I will do a show. Do you know why I do a show? Because magicians have a golden pin. So magicians have a golden pin. So when you go to the Magic Castle, everyone knows you're a magician and everybody wants to see magic. It's a little different than an oversized bounce house, but you're close digital. Your company actually tried hiring a magician to perform over Zoom. He was good, but the audience being muted made it all super awkward. Aw. When was the last time you performed there? Wow. The last time I performed there in like a formal setting? Probably like 7 years. Like the last time I was a featured magician was probably 7 years ago. But informally, I think I've performed there like 4 years ago. Can you imagine trying to do a close-up performance over Zoom? That'd be terrible. That's why I don't do magic on stream. Everybody always asks me, why don't you do more of the magic you do on stream? And during TwitchCon, I was doing magic for people at TwitchCon, and they're like, this is amazing. This is amazing. You should totally do magic on stream. And I was like, I have like, what? It doesn't translate exactly.